This is a brief video to introduce you to TDG Gold Corp, listed under the ticker TDG on the Toronto Venture Exchange. My name is Fletcher Morgan, and I am the CEO and director and an owner of TDG. I'm also a white settler of English ancestry living as a guest on unceded lands of the Coast Salish peoples, including the Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh. Before I proceed, viewers are encouraged to note that in this video, there are forward-looking statements and therefore must be treated with caution. For more information, please hit pause and read the statement on the screen before proceeding. TDG's flagship assets are the former producing high-grade gold, silver, Baker, Shasta, and Metz mining leases and surrounding mineral claims in the Toodoggone district of north-central BC. Baker Shasta is the gateway to the Toodoggone Production Corridor, a 60-kilometer section of road connected former producing high-grade gold, silver mines. The production corridor runs from Comess in the southeast to our Metz mining lease in the northwest. We believe our projects have the right ingredients to deliver rapid and sustainable value creation for our owners and stakeholders. We've recompiled over 65,000 meters of historical drilling data. Our mining leases at Baker and Shasta have each been extended for 30 years through to 2050 with First Nation support, and which we thank them for. Our mining leases are road accessible, with existing infrastructure in place, including a mill, tailing storage facilities, and an airstrip nearby. The high voltage power line runs as far as Comess, located just 35 kilometers to the southeast. We believe the Toodoggone Production Corridor, starting from Baker Shasta and up to the northwest, has the potential to deliver resources in excess of 5 million ounces of gold within the next 2 to 3 years. It was a mining camp historically, and we believe it will be again as TDG and our immediate neighbors work rapidly on our projects. When you add up these excellent features, we also believe the camp is ripe for consolidation, with our Baker Mill and camp the obvious location for a larger centralized production facility capable of handling not only our own ore from Shasta, Baker, and Metz, but also that of our neighbors, Benchmark Metals and Thesis Gold. Our flagship projects are 3 drill-ready past-producing mines. The first is the Shasta mine, where we have published a target resource. The historical exploration includes over 28,000 meters of drilling and has demonstrated bulk tonnage, gold-silver potential, hosted in a classic epithermal vein and stockwork mineralization. The drill program that we've planned for 2021 to 2022 consists of 3 phases aimed to define a bulk tonnage resource and to try to publish our inaugural resource for Shasta in the first half of 2022. In March this year, we published an exploration target range of 0.90 to 1.47 million ounce gold equivalent, hosted within 18.7 to 50.7 million tons. An exploration target range is not National Instrument 43-101 compliant and therefore must be treated with caution. Our second former producing mine is the Baker mine, which is drill ready. Historical exploration at Baker includes over 30,000 meters of drilling and has demonstrated high-grade gold-silver vein and bulk tonnage potential. In May this year, we published a new geological model for Baker, and our plans for 2021 are to test that model. And thirdly, our Metz mining lease, which again is drill ready. Historical exploration at Metz includes over 7,900 meters of drilling, over 2,500 meters of trenching, and underground development. And in 2021, we aim to reconfirm the small, high-grade tonnage potential that is suggested from the historical information. Our leadership team is very experienced, consisting of Andrew French, Terry Harbert, Ava Nakano, Matt Philgate, JP Dow, and myself. And we are complemented with technical and delivery teams drawn from SGGS Hive, Falkirk Environmental Consultants, Chucho Industries and Chucho Environmental, Sasuchan, Lancy, and Iridia. In combination, we have the experience, the expertise, the excellence, and also the ability to work in partnership with First Nations, covering all the bases from environmental to sustainability, to governance, and stewardship of the land that we're privileged to explore. TDG has a tight share structure with just over 64.4 million shares issued and outstanding, and just over 12.5 million warrants and options, the majority of which are priced between 35 cents and 45 cents and expire between 2023 and 2026. As of May 31st, 2021, we had just under $6 million cash in treasury, and our preliminary 2021 exploration budget focused on Shasta was just over $3.5 million. Talisker Resources owns just under 30% of TDG shares, which it received when TDG completed the acquisition of our flagship assets from Talisker in December 2020. Oceana Gold owns just over 3%, and the Gold 2000 fund out of Switzerland holds just over 6%. So why invest in TDG now? Our flagship assets are located in a road-accessible region of north-central BC known as the Toodoggone. The Toodoggone has a rich mining heritage, and TDG's former producing mines are located along the 60-kilometer road-connected Toodoggone Production Corridor, which stretches from the Comess mine in the southeast to our Metz mining lease in the northwest. Along the road is an airstrip, where it's big enough to land a Hercules aircraft. And just up the road are our Shasta and Baker mines, which form the gateway to what we believe will be Canada's next 5 million ounce plus mining camp. In March of this year, we published an exploration target range of between 0.90 and 1.47 million ounce gold equivalent for our Shasta project, located just 9 kilometers from Baker, which includes a camp, mill, and tailings storage facilities. Please note that an exploration target range is conceptual in nature and not NI 43-101 compliant. This coming field season, we will be focused on drilling Shasta with the aim of publishing an inaugural mineral resource estimate for Shasta in the first half of 2022. The road connecting Shasta to Baker and onwards to the northwest is a well-maintained forestry road, a portion of which is included within the Baker-Shasta permitted mine area. We are undertaking brownfield exploration. We're not starting from scratch. And in fact, we have recompiled over 65,000 meters of historical drilling on our flagship projects. Our projects are drill ready, and we're fully funded for our first phase of exploration, which involves just over 4,000 meters of diamond drilling at Shasta, as well as test work at Baker and Metz. And we're undervalued relative to our neighbors in the Toodoggone Production Corridor, as well as our peer group of exploration companies in BC. Indeed, Cormark Securities recently initiated analyst coverage on TDG, including comparables and a buy rating on TDG stock. Well, thank you for watching this short introductory video, and we look forward to meeting you at investor conferences or at our webinars. Our contact details are below, and please follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube.